Hi, to create Galaxy avatar on Samsung Galaxy S25, go in Phone Settings. From here, scroll down to find Advanced Features and then choose Galaxy Avatar. Firstly, you can synchronize it with Samsung Cloud, so with your Samsung account, and then go in Avatar Camera. And you'll be able to tap here to create a new avatar to play with, or you can simply choose to create avatar from image. So let's tap here, tap continue, choose an image, tap done. Now select its icon and also tap next. And wait for it to create your perfect avatar. After that, you can change color of your hair like that. So just find which one suits you the best. As you can see, there are many options. You can also change style of your hair like that, or maybe like this. Curly, straight, maybe bold, something like that. Just find what you need and then switch from here to mustache if you want to. Here you can change shape of your head and also you can change color of your skin just like this. And then tap the brush icon and you can add some blush to your face and change its color intensity. So this is really fun process, as you can see. Now we can also change eyebrow shape or maybe color just by tapping it. Then we can change our eyes and also we can change color of eyes like that. Then you can change your eyelashes, for example, like this. Also, a bit down scroll and you'll be able to simply add eyeshadow or maybe remove it. Then you can change shape of your nose here. So you can see there are many options and as well as changing size of your nose. You can do the same for your mouth and even add smile lines. Then go in makeup and change color of your lips. Like that. You can make it intense or not. Then you can change shape of your ears and even position of your ears. And after that, you can customize your right arm or your left arm as well as your right leg and left leg. As you can see, it is really detailed process. Now we can tap on style and here we can change clothes for our avatar just like that. So let me show you some options. Or we can switch to this tab and maybe find something in here. Maybe this dress or pajama or this one. Or you can select top manually like that and bottoms also manually like this. Also you can change style. So you can change color of your pants as well as your top. Also, you can even add socks here and change your boots. For example, let's select this one. Here you can add watch or gloves. Here you can find hats. Then you can also find glasses here, like that. And you can also add earrings and another accessories you want to. And now when you're done changing yourself, just tap save, and this is the result. So as you can see now, I can use my Galaxy avatar and everything is working just fine. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.